Moringa, or the miracle tree, as it's sometimes called, is native to parts of Asia and Africa. Moringa is also called drumstick tree in natives of India. The tree is known for its broad leaves and pods, which are both used in traditional medicine and cuisine. The leaves of this tree are packed with a wide array of vitamins and minerals. It's a powerhouse of iron, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin C, protein, antioxidants, fiber, and much more. And guess what? It's gluten-free too. The benefits of incorporating moringa into your diet are many. It's known to boost energy levels, support immune function, aid in digestion, and even promote healthy skin and hair. And while it's true that some people may experience benefits quickly after consuming moringa, and that's fantastic, remember that for others it might take a bit longer to notice the effects, up to 6 weeks or even longer in some cases. So there you have it, folks. Remember to always consult your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of superfoods.